this tutorial, what we'd like to be able to do is to go in and edit the cruising log or the information under the cruising log tab. Assuming that you are logged onto your account like I am here, if we go to the cruising log for number 1, you see that there's really nothing here. Scrolling down, blank page. However, if we do a view source, it looks like there's an awful lot of stuff, and I presume that you recognize this as all the information that is used for the first tab. So we'll close this guy and we'll go back to our main tab here. So the question becomes, how do you edit this stuff? It's not terribly intuitive, but what we're going to do is, at the top of the screen here, I'm going to go up and I'm going to edit hull number 1 log. It's actually hull-1-log, and the dash log is the same for all the boats in the fleet. That's the same location. So having done that, hitting the enter key, you're going to see that this page appears a little bit different now because we're actually looking at this particular location, and the source code for it is such that I didn't bother to include the shortcut buttons up here. So that's why things are a little bit different. So we have to do this the long way. Go down to edit. And when we edit, we can see that there's nothing on the page. Nothing up here, and nothing down here. So what I'm going to do is I will make some changes to this. Do what I normally do, which is preview it. Okay, that looks okay. I'm going to save it. So, assuming that this has been saved, let's go back to number 1 and let's look at our cruising log. And there we go. The information is exactly where we expect it to be. Again, like we said, this is somewhat cryptic, not obvious. You'd have to type in or go to page hull-1-log in order to edit that. If you have any questions, or if you would rather have your moderator do it, I can do it for you. pilgrim.40.liberty@gmail.com. If you're interested in seeing what other boats have done or some of the formats that people have for their cruising logs, Liberty number 43 has information in their cruising log, as does Gatsby number 27. And you can kind of get an idea of the format that you would use for creating hyperlinks to different locations in those pages. Or, of course, you could just use a word processor and copy and paste information directly into that page.